This 2026 Forest River Cardinal 35 crib is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Crystal River, Florida, 34428 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Nature's Coast. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a MALIBU interior, sleeps 7, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.